Starting with the next problem, ninth problem. If the monthly installment in a CTD account paid by Harshita is rupees 2500 and maturity amount she receives is rupees 30975. So up till this, what we are having with us? Two things. One is the monthly installment, second is the maturity amount. Find the number of installments if rate of interest being 6% per annum. तो अब यहाँ पर आपको क्या कैलकुलेट करने हैं? नंबर ऑफ इंस्टॉलमेंट्स कैलकुलेट करने हैं. तो लेट्स फर्स्ट राइट द थिंग्स दैट वी आर हैविंग विद अस. P is rupees 2500. N कैलकुलेट करना है. R is 6% per annum. I is P R N into N plus 1 upon 24 into 100. Zeros they get cut, 6 cuts 24, so we get I as 25 into N, 25N square plus 25N by 4. Now maturity value is given. Maturity value is 30975. It is NP. So 2500N plus I. 25N square plus 25N by 4. Taking LCM, 4. 4 into 2500, 10,000N. plus 25N square plus 25N equal to 30975. ये 4 राइट हैंड साइड पर मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा. स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में लिखें इसे. इक्वेशन को 25N स्क्वायर प्लस 10025N इक्वल टू 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करें. 20, 30, 39, 1, 2. That gives 25N square plus 10025N minus 123900. The whole equation is divisible by 25. 25 से divide करें, we get N square plus, to divide this number by 25, एक तो आप सिंपल डिवीजन कर सकते हैं कि 25 4s are 100, 2, 0, 5, 1. Otherwise, multiply this number by 4. 4 से multiply करेंगे, you will get 40100 and further divided by 100. So again you will get the result as 401. So we get 401N minus 123900. पहले इसे 100 से divide कर दें और फिर इसे 4 से multiply कर दें. तो what we get? 36, 15, 49, 4956. What we have got? We have got a quadratic equation over here in N. अब इसका middle term split करेंगे. जब भी number of installments का middle term split का situation आता है, जो भी product है, as per the rule, general rule real life में क्या कहता है कि n is a multiple of 3, but वो real life में है. Otherwise, syllabus के accordingly n can be any value. It can be 8 months, it can be 7 months. Means it can be a multiple of 3 or may not be the multiple of 3. But generally, maximum जो questions design किए गए हैं वो multiple of 3 के साथ ही किए गए हैं. तो 4956 product required है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इसको 2 से ना डिवाइड करते हुए किससे डिवाइड करें? 3 से डिवाइड करें. इफ इट इज डिविजिबल बाय 3, लेट्स चेक. इज इट डिविजिबल बाय 3? 6 plus 5 11 plus 9 20 plus 4 24. yes, it is divisible by 3. 3 से डिवाइड करें, व्हाट वी गेट? 1 6 5 2. फर्दर इट इज नॉट डिविजिबल बाय 3 क्योंकि 7 plus 7 14. अब इसे डिवाइड करेंगे 2 से. 2 से डिवाइड किया, वी गेट 8 2 6. 3 2s are 6 We are not getting 401 by using 6 and 826. Again divide by 2, we get 413. 6 2s are 12. 12 and 413 will give 401. So what we get? N square plus 413n minus 12n minus 4956. N common, 12 common. N plus 413 into n minus 12 equal to 0. This implies n is equal to minus 413 or n is equal to 12. Now, क्या पूछा है? Number of installments. Number of installments can't be negative, so this is rejected. So, this gives you the number of installments. N is equal to 12. Beginning with the 10th problem, Sarthak has a recurring deposit account in a bank of rupees 600 per month. If bank pays simple interest of 7% per annum and he gets rupees 15450 as maturity, find the total time for which account was held. Now, time is dependent upon the number of installments. So again, we have to calculate the number of installments over here. What he pays per month is rupees 600. N calculate करना है. R is 7% per annum. Calculating I, P, R, N, N plus 1 upon 2400. That gives 7n square plus 7n by 4. Now what's the maturity value he gets? It is rupees 15450. Maturity value is NP, means 600n plus 7n square plus 7n by 4. Taking 4 LCM, 2400n, 7n square plus 7n, 15450, 7n square, 2407n is equal to 4 gets multiplied over here. 1450 into 4. 0, 20, 18, 61. 7n square 2407n minus 61800 equal to 0. Now over here 2407 is not divisible by 7, so the product required is 7 into 61800. 7 into 61800 is the product required to split the middle term. It is divisible by 3, so first divided by 3. So what we get? 20600. 7 3s are 21. 21 and 20600 will not give 2407. Now it is not divisible by 3. Start dividing it by 2. We get 10300. 21 into 2 is 42. 42 and 10300 will not give 2407. Again divide by 2. We get 5150. 42 into 2 is 84. 84 and 5150 will not give 2400. 2 से divide. We get 2575 168. Let's check. We are getting very close. 2400 is required. We have moved till 2500. 2575 minus 168. 15 minus 8 is 7. 6 minus 6 is 0. Oh yes, we have got the result. So the two middle terms are 2575n minus 168n minus 61800. N common माइनस. अब यहाँ पर 7n चाहिए. 7n का मतलब है यहाँ से कॉमन क्या आ रहा है हमारे पास? इन सब का प्रोडक्ट कितना है 168 और हमें 7 रिक्वायर्ड है, तो 168 को 7 से डिवाइड करें तो वी गेट 24. So 24 is common, we are left with 7n plus 2575. 7n plus 2575, n minus 24, that gives n is equal to minus 2575 by 7. This is rejected because number of installments can't be in fraction or negative, और ये तो fraction में भी है और negative भी है. That gives n is equal to 24. अब आंसर देते वक्त ध्यान देना है कि क्या पूछा है क्वेश्चन में, whether it is asked the number of installments or the time. अगर number of installments पूछे हैं तो n पर छोड़ दीजिए, और अगर time पे पूछा है तो time calculate करिए. Therefore time is equal to 2 years because 24 installments will make 2 years. 11th problem. Anurag deposits rupees 200 per month in a bank that pays 8% per annum interest. If he gets rupees 8088 at maturity, find the time for which account was held. So again we have the monthly installment as rupees 200, n unknown, r is 8% per annum. Calculate I from here. P R n plus 1 upon 24 into 100. Zeros cut. 2, 12, 4, 2s are 8 and 4 3s are 12. I is equal to 2n square plus 2n by 3. Maturity value is 8088. It is NP 200n plus I. 3 LCM 600n plus 2n square plus 2n equal to 8088. 2n square plus 602n is equal to 3 से multiply 24264. 2n square plus 602n minus 24264 equal to 0. Divide by 2. n square 301n minus 12132. 12132 के factors बनाएंगे. Form the factors of 12132. 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 3 10 plus 2 12. 3 से divisible, we get 4044. 4 plus 4 plus 4 12. Again divisible by 3, that gives 1348. Now 8 plus 4 12 plus 4 16, not divisible by 3 now. Divide by 2, that gives 674. Again divisible by 2, we get 3 7. 18 2s are 36. 36 and 337 will give 301. So this gives n square plus 337n minus 36n minus 1232. n common minus 36 common. n plus 337 into n minus 36 equal to 0. That gives n is equal to minus 337 or n is equal to 36. Minus 337 is rejected. N is equal to 36 gives time is equal to 3 years.